down Sunset Boulevard with you. And I just wanna take one more bite of everything and every avenue. Like cold drinks, summer nights. Let's get a little too drunk. Are you down? 'Cause I just got to move. Take a look at all the shining lights. Nothing beats that view. Will you meet me on the floor tonight? And it's California. I couldn't have warned you, baby. Ooh. Yeah, this place just makes you, kinda makes you want to. Yeah, it makes you want to.
Okay guys, good morning. So, change of plans dahil nga maulan. Buti na lang sobrang flexible ng aming tour guide. Talagang lakas namin sa kanya pag gusto namin baguhin yung mga itinerary namin. Pumayag siya na unahin namin yung Enchanted River sa may Hinatuan. Hinatuan, no? Hinatuan, Surigao del Sur. And then tomorrow na lang kami mag-island hopping sa may Britannia Islands. So, from here, sa pinagstayan namin, it's 1.5 hour. And then today, yun lang yung itinerary namin since ilang araw na kaming tagtagan. Okay din kasi kahapon, pagod din kami sa island hopping. So, mas okay din na bukas siya gawin. So, ngayon, nilalook forward namin na maabutan yung fish feeding para makita namin yung mga isda. And also, sana, hindi siya murky. And ganun pa din yung color niya.
Open.
When you deserve girl, cause the cry. You're not crazy to any girl who made me a fool in love. That muzzle in the world, and now it needs cooling.
So, andito na tayo sa may Enchanted River. Time check is already magwawan na. So, medyo hindi namin naabutan yung fish feeding. Pero it's okay. Please, ma-witness namin yung ganda ng Enchanted. So, our first stop is the famous Enchanted River. As soon as we arrived, Neil paid the entrance fees and environmental fees since inclusive na to or included na rin to sa package tour ng Salaag Travel and Tours. But I think the entrance fee is around 100 pesos per person and environmental fee of 50 pesos per person. And honestly, at this point, sobrang excited na kami makita kung gano'n talaga clear ang tubig in person. Sinundo lang kami ng parang tram papunta sa river, and upon entering, we were greeted by this giant statue, which they say is a diwata or guardian of the Enchanted River. Honestly, nagulat talaga ako dito, and it definitely adds to the mystical vibe of the
Diwata.
place.
Ang kwento ni Shiro Mate, nagalit siya kasi naalala lang siya nung bagyong uwan. Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. And for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Enchanted River. Malapit ng mukha ko, kaya magsawa kayo. Eto si ma'am, napoproblema kasi walang signal. Yan, hindi makapag-my day guys.
So, makapag-update sa followers ko, nabi pa ng fans. Mga 5.
Mga lima.
O, isa si Bitoy, si Ashley, si Pat, si AJ. Walang pa isa.
Si Neil.
Si Neil.
Oy, si Jopel pa, magiging follower mo na to.
May mag-subscribe ka sa YouTube ko.
Oh, YouTube. Gismilar.
Oo.
Ah,
Anong Gismilar? Parang 10.
mailer pala, mailer.
Jess! Anong Gis?
Gis, 10 piso yun eh. Sorry. Isaya. Isaya eh. Gis.
Gis!
Tignan nyo tong isa dito guys. Yan. Business-minded na kaibigan. Gustong mag-alok ng drone. Sa lahat ng mga gustong magpapadrone sa makakakita ng video to, chat nyo lang tong taong to.
Yes, chat nyo lang ako.
Chat nyo lang. Kahit sang sulok kayo ng Manila.
Hanep, hindi mo lang pinagpaalam sa may-ari kung pwede magpag-business siya ng ano.
Pipera ka naman eh. Rerentahan namin sa'yo.
Pero
Tapos,
iniisip ko nga din yan, parang yung mga gadgets ko. Kasi ang dami eh.
Oo,
Yun
kahit ito.
Tapos yung drone.
Yung drone te mahirap. Kailangan talaga may designated ka na magpa-pilot.
Pilot, oo.
Kasi
Ayun.
pagka
Ito nga, pinapractice
Ayun
ko.
nga, drone pilot for red.
Sinapractice ko.
Drone pilot and drone red.
oh yun.
For red.
Kung isa dito guys, ayun na. Hindi makapaghintay. Nagmamadali sa pictorial.
Ang diwata.
Ito yung diwata ng
Siya yung nasa mukha doon. Kaso, mas matangos yung ilong.
Sige lang guys, pipicturean natin yung diwata sa labas. Kayo na mag-judge kung kamukha ba. Tingnan nyo.
Sa arte, sa ganda niya yun. Plakadong plakado. Ang mag-tour. Ang ganda talaga guys. Crystal clear, deep blue, and parang unreal sa sobrang linaw. Honestly, the pictures and videos doesn't really do justice. And I definitely recommend na ma-witness nyo siya in person. Siyempre, first agenda, taking photos. So, inuna muna namin yung pag-take ng photos, hindi lang namin, pati ng mga guide namin. Sulit na sulit yung pag-take ng photos dito kasi kahit saan ka tumingin, sobrang ganda ng backdrop. Yun nga lang guys, hindi pala allowed on drone dito. So, dapat magpapalipad na kami, pero nasaway kami. So, huwag nyo kaming gayahin. And we were informed kaya bawal ang drone is because marami na rin na-lost na drone doon because of the vegetation. Siguro, hindi nakakakuha ng signal yung drone or maybe it adds mystery and enchanting doon sa place. Nagaano yung nagdi-distort yung tubig? Diba?
Oo. Si ano naman? Si
Tuwang-tuwa?
Si Jomel. Si Jopil pa.
sorry.
Portrait.
Ayan, 1, 2, 3. Full ba, diba?
Half daw.
1, 2, 3, 5. Kumahiya. Oh, pogi ka naman eh. Oh,
Kimpi pa yung ano mo.
Sampalin kita ng sandals
Pogi naman eh.
Uy, may profile na. Oo naman. Magwa 1 year nang walang profile eh.
Ito naman daw.
1, 2, 3.
Yee! Tama yung bata yan.
Tapos nakatingin, yan, nakaganyan, yan.
Yo, nature lover masyado
Okay.
eh. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hawak kamay. O yan.
Sus, Ginoo, pagtutulakin ko kayong dalawa dyan. Aray ko. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, nice one.
Ang financer. Mukhang bumukha akong nanay pagkatabi ko siya eh. Nanay. Huwag mo na i-blur yung mukha ko.
Huwag mo ipa-portrait eh. Photo lang.
After taking photos, naglangoy na kami and spent the remaining hours just enjoying the cold, refreshing water. Share ko lang guys, meron palang designated na swimming area. And paalala lang na ang lakas talaga ng current lalo na sa may bandang ilalim. So, kahit marunong ka lumangoy, mararamdaman mo tinatangay ka ng agos. Kaya always stay or practice safety and make sure to stay within the designated swimming area and always prioritize your safety. Also, if you're planning to visit, take note na ang fish feeding ceremonies until 12 o'clock p.m. only. So during that time, merong bangka na pupunta para magpakain sa mga isda. Unfortunately, since alauna na kami nakarating, hindi na namin ito naabutan. Kaya kung gusto mo itong maabutan, make sure nyo na dumating kayo ng mas maaga dun sa sinabi kong oras. We just spent the rest of our time here swimming, relaxing, and simply appreciating the beauty of the Enchanted River. Hindi lang kami ang naengganyo, pati na rin si Jofil at si Neil. So, nag-swim din sila along with us. And definitely, nag-enjoy kami dito. Okay, on to the next stop. So today, very good choice talaga na pinagpalit namin yung supposedly itinerary namin kahapon for ngayon kasi kahapon di ba nag-uulan. So ngayon kami mag-island hopping. Good choice kasi ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Very bright and sunny and walang kabakas-bakas ng ulan. Napakakalma ng panahon, napakakalma ng dagat. So ngayon, time check is already 10. Nag-prepare muna ng food and we're going to Highland hopping until 5 p.m. And ayun guys, so ilo-load lang yung mga gamit sa bangka. And that's it. So almost second to the last day itinerary namin yun. I'm almost out of funds. Pero ang sabi nga nila is yung pera babalik, pero yung time and memories na spend mo sa family ay hindi.
Yeah. Would it be cool to say? Yeah, intuition, just wanna follow intuition. All my senses tell me I know what you've been thinking. I've been feeling, what if we got up, left this party? Cause I can see you're probably gonna be scrolling feeds all night long. And your friends are drunk, and the DJ keeps playing the same songs, and time isn't moving along. So would it be cool to say, do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could drive through all of the city lights, or we could find a two-song place, just you and I. That'd be nice. Do you want to escape with me? Oh, oh, oh. Do you want to escape with me? Yeah, I see you there biting your cherry lips, giving me a hint at an early exit. Can't believe, gotta pinch your cheek to know this isn't fantasy. Right, skip the chit chat cause that shit cheap. Doesn't matter either way cause I can hear everything. Wanna get some air to breathe cause I can see you falling asleep. Your friends are drunk, and the DJ keeps playing the same songs, and time isn't moving along. So would it be cool to say, do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could drive through all of the city lights, or we could find a two-song place, just you and I. That'd be nice. Do you want to Escape with me. Oh, intuition, follow intuition. Escape with me, escape with intuition, follow intuition.
That Tuesday night when you left me behind, I was so done with trying to make it right.
Waking in silence, no light in my eyes, barely surviving. It's making me feel I'm alone on this island, lost in the labyrinth. It's weighing me down, and all of the sirens are waiting forever. They drive me insane. No way. Every time I take a step, I get closer to the end. But today, I don't care. I'm diving into the waves. Push me to the deep end, 'cause I'm in it for the thrill. I can stay for the rest of my life. Push me to the deep end, 'cause if this is how it feels, oh just know I'll never leave. It's time that I figured it out now, that I never run out of love, that every moment gonna be magic and it feels so electric. And I just can't help waking up with all I've ever wanted. This feeling got me low. Stay with me forever and drive me insane. 'Cause today, I don't care, I'm diving into the waves. Push me to the deep end, 'cause I'm in it for the thrill. I can stay for the rest of my life. Push me to the deep end, 'cause if this is how it feels, oh just know I'll never leave. Set me free, evergreen, let it breathe over me. I believe, let it be, and just know I'll never leave. Set me free, evergreen, let it breathe over me. I believe, let it be, I could stay for the rest of my life. My life, I could stay for the rest of my life. My life, I could stay for the rest of my life. Push me to the deep end, 'cause I'm in it for the thrill. I could stay for the rest of my life. Push me to the deep end, 'cause if this is how it feels, oh just know I'll never leave. Set me free, evergreen, let it breathe over me. I believe, let it be,
Hello guys, nakabalik na kami ngayon dito sa may beach resort, dito sa may Joan's Beach Resort sa may Surigao del Sur. Yun yung mga islang napuntahan namin, and I definitely recommend this group of islands if you want to experience yung same beauty ng Naked Island. Meron din sila Naked Island dito, and yung mga pristine beaches, meron din sila dito. At ang kaigihan pa, wala pang masyadong tao. Napansin ko rin dito na wala masyadong bisita or mga turista dito. So, really wanna promote this island. So, kung halimbawa, namamahala kayo sa Surigao for being overrated, I suggest you go for the Nugget Islands for the same na lagoons and turquoise waters, and dito sa may Britannia Islands para naman sa mga island hopping. Since nag-offer din naman sila ng same beauty when it comes to other islands. So, yun lang guys. And para makaboost din talaga ng livelihood dito ng mga local. Sobrang na-appreciate ko rin pala yung bangka namin kanina na kaya mag-accommodate ng 20 people. Hindi nila kami tinipid sa tour. Exclusive lang talaga yung food, which is kami nagluto. Pero yung bangka, grabe. Yun ito yung pinakabonggang bangka na naranasan ko. Given na 4 na tao lang naman talaga kami. Plus yung 2 other namin tour guides. So this is our second to the last day. Tomorrow we'll be going naman to Agusan, Vega Falls, Agusan del Sur. So, yun guys, stay tuned pa sa mga susunod na kaganapan and last kaganapan nito ating vlog.
Good morning, everyone.
So, last day na kami, and andito na kami ngayon sa may Agusan del Sur. So, ang itinerary namin today is mag-hike papuntang Vega Falls, and after that, punta ng Butuan, and then diretso ng airport. So, usually dapat gabi yung flight namin, pero nalabook siya ng hapon, tanghali after lunch. Okay din, para maaga-aga kami makauwi ng Manila. So, bali na, yung guide lang namin na asikaso yung pagbayad na entrance fees and logbook. And time check is already 7 o'clock a.m. Umalis kami ng Britannia Island na around 5:45. So, about an hour lang naman yung biyahe. Hindi namin alam. Makahingal. So, nakakala tayo sa may first falls. On the way na tayo doon sa pinakamalayo. Sementado naman yung trail daw. Pero, nakakahingal pa din. Para sa isang trentahin na.